We were very warmly received by the Austrian Parliament and Dr. Reinhold Lopaka. He led their delegation, and we found out actually a lot of the things that they are facing are similar to us. While they have the issue with the Ukrainian war being so real and present, they also have farmer protests, and for much the same reasons that we have them here in New Zealand. So it was interesting to find that out. We were acknowledged by their parliament in the middle of a debate, which was really quite an honour, and we had a wonderful lunch with them and built relationships that I'm sure will endure.
As a new MP, it has been a wonderful experience to be here with parliamentarians from around the world. I've especially enjoyed meeting other women and younger women in politics, because if we connect through borders, then we can make positive change for the planet and the people.
It's a great opportunity for New Zealand to come and join parliaments from around the globe to talk about the issues that are important. This was a focus on peace and security, building bridges around diplomacy. And being here is really important. There's nothing like face-to-face diplomacy. One of the takeaways for me was an opportunity for all of our delegation to address the General Assembly, to talk about what matters most to us. And for me, it was about sharing the importance of the New Zealand Parliament and the role that we as strong parliamentarians play within the Pacific region.
My reflection on the IPU conference here in Switzerland has been that the conflicts in both the Ukraine and in the Middle East are far more real and present. There's certainly a number of arguments that occurred during our assembly here. Actually, words are better than weapons, and it's far better that the IPU help build those relations between those people who are in conflict. So all in all, I think a very worthwhile few days here in Geneva.